Hi everyone, good morning. I am talking today about food coloring. Do you know that we can make a natural food coloring when we make some, especially if you are Asian or Filipino, we used to make kakanin or sapin-sapin, and we put food coloring in it like purple, yellow, or pink. But you know what, I found a nice natural food coloring, which is more not chemical, but instead of yellow you put turmeric, and you soak it in the water, and then maybe a tablespoon, and then you can make yellow with your sapin-sapin, and the other layer is purple. Instead of buying the food coloring which is purple, just make your own. Like there is a purple Japanese sweet potato that you can buy and then you cook it, and then the purple color will come out, and you can make it as your purple food coloring. And also the next layer is I think it's pink, or it's not really a purple, like yellow. The yellow one you can use turmeric, and then the red one you can use pomegranate. All have that color as a juice, so you can add it in your sapin for your dessert, right? So natural is the best. Thank you very much and have a good day. God bless everyone.